What's up everybody, this is Harry and today I want to share with you my Aircrete journey, where I've been and where I'm going. So this journey started for me back in 2015. My wife and I decided we wanted to build a home for ourselves, and of course it was about the money, about the price, how much it's going to cost to build. So I found, doing a lot of research online, I saw this YouTube video for this building method called the green Rhino building system. So this guy Dan in Arizona was building homes using foam blocks, and so after seeing this video and seeing how cool it was and how quickly, like, just two people could build an entire house, I said, hey, this is really cool. So I took this 3-day workshop in Arizona in 2015 of July, and it was really cool. We learned how to take these foam blocks. They were 8 inches thick, 16 feet long, and 4 feet tall. So we would foam glue them together. We'd put a mesh and this coating of cement on there. It was all proprietary stuff, but it was really cool system. You're able to do your interior wiring and plumbing really easy because you get a hot wire gun and you just cut a groove out for your wiring and your plumbing, and then you foam glue it back in, and then you shave everything smooth. Really cool. Like, you can do a house or a room really quick with this system. Super insulated. We were there, it was 110 degrees out there, and it was a small 25 by 9 foot wide mini house that was being built. And it was a little 5,000 BTU AC unit, and it kept that space so cool. Think about it, you got 8-inch thick foam walls. So anyway, it was really good system, and I was all for building my home using the green Rhino building system. And the guy Dan, really good guy, was giving that workshop, and he's probably still doing it, I'm not sure, but you could definitely check out those videos. So I was ready to I was looking into getting all the foam that I would need and whatnot, until I found on YouTube again Dome Gaia. I saw Hajar showing this beautiful dome built with this new material called Aircrete, and I was like, wow, this is amazing. This is an insulating structural cement that you could build this really beautiful dome with. It was Steve's dome. That's the guy whose dome it is. So in the video they show this machine called the Green Dragon, which is this machine here. They show it making Aircrete continuously. That was the pitch. So I ended up buying the machine. I think I paid $6 and change for this unit. It didn't come with a drill. I had to get my own drill, but it came with what you see here, and this is a pump, and it came with this pump for pumping the soap solution through the unit. So I bought this unit, and I was under the impression it was going to perform as advertised, and the fact is it didn't. In March of 2016 is when I received this. Actually, February I received this, and my first video using this machine was in March. Now, when I was using this machine, there was very little information about how to use it. There were really no videos on YouTube. Honestly, I was the first person on YouTube showing this machine in operation, other than Dome Gaia, who made the machine and was, selling it. So what I found was the machine didn't work as advertised for a number of reasons, and I know it was because of my videos and a lot of the people emailing me and commenting that I was able to save a lot of people a lot of money from buying this machine that didn't work correctly. And since then the unit has changed to just a foaming one, which is just this piece with the pump, now eliminating all this. Now, this was a great concept and idea, but even the commercial machines, commercial grade industrial stuff, don't use a system like this. What they do is they mix their cement all up in one unit, and they'll combine that with foam, and that's how they usually make Aircrete. This is commercial grade stuff, not us do-it-yourselfers. So anyway, if you come closer, you can see, I'll show you how this machine worked. This was the hopper unit. So this unit here was where you put your bag of cement, and inside there was the auger. So this auger, I'll turn it on. That would spin, pushing the cement into this unit. And if you look in here through this hole, you can probably see the metal paddles. There were a bunch of these throughout. Yeah, there's a bunch of them throughout the entire unit here. They go through the whole thing. So the idea was the cement would mix with the water at this unit, at this point, and then also with the foam. So really it was asking too much of this unit. I'm sure it could be modified, and maybe they're working on it. Maybe Dome Guy is working on a modified version, which would be really cool, but as this sit, it didn't work correct. So since then, Dome Guy perfected their recipe with the cement to water, because this unit, you were supposed to be running 3 gallons of water through here per minute, I believe. And anyway, that didn't work. So the new unit is just a foaming wand that injects foam into your cement. Usually the recipe that's suggested is using 7 gallons of water to one 95-pound bag of cement. And then from there, in a 50-gallon drum, you would inject foam into it as you mixed it, and the foam would build up, and then you'd have your Aircrete. So anyway, that's the way it works now. But after I realized this wasn't working, it put off my plans towards building a home in 2016. So that got pushed off till 2017. Now in 2017, I'm gun-ho with Aircrete. So I realized this unit wasn't working. I didn't have anything else to make Aircrete except for a commercial grade machine. So I looked online and I got the least expensive commercial grade foam machine. And if you come here, that's this unit here. This was about, I paid around $4,000 for this machine.